Hey, what's happening, my Kali beasts? If you want to improve your Kali stick fighting skills, improve your mechanics, your striking mechanics, and your power generation, then you're gonna wanna make sure that you are including this drill in your training sessions. All you need is a stick. So I learned this drill about 16 to 17 years ago, and it's really good for building up the rotation in the hips and shoulders and that overall rotation in the torso. It's going to combine two movements from the stick, which is the upward figure eight and the abanicos, your high horizontal abanicos. So let's break down this drill so we understand the timing of it, get some reps in, and understand what it's actually doing for our mechanics. We're going to start off with 3 upward figure eight strikes. Now, when you're doing this drill, you can do this from the right leg forward or the left leg forward. I highly advise train with both legs forward at some point, and you can mix it up while you're doing the drill. Be free bird, like just move around and change it up with the footwork. That's fine. It's the movements that's going to come out of the motions that we're going to be doing with the stick, and that's what's going to help to enhance our body mechanics for our strikes. So I'm going to start out with my right leg forward right here, and we're going to start with 3 upward figure eight strikes. 1, 2, 3. Now, once we're on top, we can do 4 abanicos, high horizontal abanicos. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back down to 3 upward figure eights. 1, 2, 3, 4 abanicos. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we just repeat everything. We have 1, 2, 3, right away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, and smoothly 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you take out any pausing in the transitions between your upward figure eight and your abanicos, and then back to your upward figure eight. Now you want everything to be smooth here and continuous. You can even put your left leg forward, change your leads. And what you're going to find is by linking these two movements, these two motions together, you're able to really exaggerate your hip movement, the shoveling in the hips, and the rotation in the hips and shoulders and overall spine in your torso right there. Now, it's really important to understand that when we talk about rotating the trunk, okay, we're not isolating the hips here and rotating through just the spine. We're kind of locking the spine in, and we're rotating through the actual hips, through the pelvis. So we want our spine and our pelvis to be pretty stayed in, connected. That way our spine has that support that it needs. Okay, because once we start making contact, right, we want to make sure that our skeletal structure is intact. So again, this drill, as you're experimenting with this drill over time, maybe over 5-10 minutes, a couple hours, a few days, weeks, you're going to start noticing how you can keep your body locked in together and really start moving your body more and more into these movements. And over time, you're going to be able to start increasing your speed and your power. I'm going to turn around. Let's do a couple repetitions together. Let's do like 3 sets together here. And we're going to go nice and easy because we're learning. And then as you are training on your own, I want you to gradually pick up the speed and start kind of being more dramatic with the mechanics of it. All right? Okay, let's give it a go. So starting off, we got number 1. 1, 2, 3. Into the abanico. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to figure 8. 1, 2, 3. Abanicos. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let your body be loose here. Abanicos. You want to get rid of any kind of rigidness and you want it just to be loose. And just let the mechanics, let them happen. And if you happen to go more than the 3 or the 4, that's fine. It's not really about that. It's just making sure that we're transitioning and working both sides. Okay? So basically just do an odd number of your upward figure 8s and an even number of your abanicos. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2. That's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you kind of get it right there. You know, the count of 3 upper figure 8s and 4 abanicos, that's just to teach, right? That's just for the instruction of it. But I want you to feel free to explore it. And when you're digging those hips, shoveling those hips into the upward figure 8, that's really gonna help get all of that ascending power. And when you're getting that rotation into your abanicos, that's working all of that horizontal line power here. So we're able to work the diagonal lines with the horizontal lines at the same time. So this drill covers all the mechanics, all your diagonal mechanics, your forehand and your backhand, whether you're striking upward or downward, downward or upward, and it covers all your horizontal mechanics as well. And it's just getting that rotation, that snap-like rotation in the torso, in the hip and shoulders to generate maximum power, which you need speed, and of course you need timing in the flow of combat. But by working those mechanics, that's how you improve your power. All right, get out there, go train, become that Kali beast I know you can be. Head over to KaliCenter.com. Maybe I'll see you inside of the online school.